Makwaba Edoba Dr. Ase Enkomo Ewo Home Base Television. So yabeda Kwaku Bansi se odi enko agukansie mu. Ena ye 10th of September yenina enisem ene na ye yato a ye freno in prevention of suicide and ene ye da ye bodero e de fa kwan amanfo e fa so e show mo akonfo ne ho ensensem World Suicide Prevention Day. Nti ebedi sa nkomo no na adaroma yensa campaign ba ko ha ye nenom ebedi enkomo edin the James Kwesi Addison or first internationally certified emotional intelligence coach. And I no ebedi sa enkomo no na yahwe kwan ya nyina yebetimi afaso aboana akonfo bebre a ekoso no yetimi ateso ni titu pa eni emebru no papa mo akwaba
je so papa
se bibia boko
yeah fine
yeda erade ase Addison's Candle Group okay yeda mo asim so say yeto nsafra mo na mo bae
good yes yeda mo asim papa ichia wahwefu ina so
yo
na empire wode entom ye bi fie boko no na yenya nyimidi bia ebotumi de aso suicide no
mate yeda sipa baba yensha say the nation's first internationally certified emotional intelligence coach. Mamimisa emotional intelligence and only the now for young linking to the prevention of suicide.
Good. Madras papa before I ever cornered no make here my brother suffer Reverend Prophet Joseph Latte.
Okay.
Oh Cedru.
Okay.
The king of the gospel ministries.
Okay.
Oh Cedru. Now the part and there's ye so ya jimbre na yetumi ade de me nchechire eleba ehu hia papa and he say ebisa de emotional intelligence de atinkamu yimidi another atinkamu ahotodo onye be ade yo so we kada obi ye emotionally intelligent mafano word ebien na wom emotions intelligent atinka na oyobi a owo yimidi anade wa abin wo atinka mu ene kire de se atinka bo so e na o mama atinka ne dinodo na momotu anamo bi a otumi mama atinka bone kra na obro bobo wa akiri no onkoye adebone good inti se kada obi ye emotionally intelligent ana kire de first ye hwede impako no se atinka bi le de adi wo obi ne ho a ohun you find perceived perception of emotions and yet well who keke or science ase until well who de nua nenya ayo kokoko
no atinka bi what certain
anti answer no bet atinka na se no na chere well who bibia atinka ne fi bai anti bronyi wo bibia of friend there perception of emotions is not necessarily understanding obi botum ehun do obi ni bo afu but ebufu no ta asa na ansa no botum ata ebufu na se ne kire we hu de the mabufu the maji na akofa the mabufu ya aba sebe de ma obotum wa boa no nua no mo wa fi ebufu no mu nsa amra me ka cha nti obi a otum sa atenka bi de no ho edi a ohun na oti atenka na se amama watum etu ho anamo na onyi nyipa a wo bere no ene nipa won be no atena asomdue mu ehu hia papa
na ya emotional intelligence that is eno so ye ade a yesua enya ho nimde
that is it research am ye hu hwehwe ma am ye hu de se nipa kra bobobra na wadi brad wadi nkunyim wo brada 80% of what makes us successful e wa brabom ni na ye social and emotional skills
Zeni babe dia
yes
atenka wonya ene nimdia wo ho no eka ho
that is it because me find that say a medical doctor na assembi asiwo adwuma na entuma en control abufu na atwetu na akonyipa e be konsanwom se ye kodu nsanwom ma besi den akoye wo surgery no
this is emotional intelligence
ehu hia papa
me da se pi se wa man sa nimdia no ye rade se ye hwe Chaka Bennett da ene akonfo hye ho
good who says you can't emotional intelligent now. I think by quan edi tintima wo mi de onipa no obohu no ho. Ha bro if you self awareness obohu no ho de atinka we na me wom. De me na akofa atinkan aba. De ma atinki ama ma mi tutu de ma na mon. Nse wa ha to we hu de ne buafu ne wira ho ne wira na ho we no we hu na mom ebi ade na kofa de ma ayo ho ne ye dan ba ne ben exams bi a okoye ya 1 year ade na akofa de ma ayo ho na abosel de ma ayo ho na abosel ni ti no amama ohun ne yere kura na ne buafu no ne buafu mo frank ya ho yinala e wa ha nti ohun atenka no no hu atenka na we hu ade kwa akofa atenka na ba na ohun ade akofa atenka na ba so a osaso hu anamu ana ro lutu no aha no hu sunsun adumpo a ewo nkrofa wo biane wo ho ehu hia papa because yipatum eyedema na mo be yin de ade boni biara obesi wa kwan mu bia no benya ho nyimdi a edibegido aha sabi so we kada obi ye emotionally intelligent one of the ada osan yipa no hu de owotema nti say emotionally intelligent na sabi so wo yero aye obi bia na oyo obi no bayi ebi obi no ba kropia na afa adede bono na le gine nkwa afini me sabi ewotema yen enyitema aha ne mukuru so a wo kire a no so ye kire ka ho ye ahotoso papa broyin be friend optimism aha obi wo ha bibi kakra to na na be ma den ebu aha ni na ye skills emotional intelligence etide mo bi lu dwum only English emotional intelligence no so skills no so yetu ye den wo tua aha nti se broyin be ka say these are indispensable social and emotional skills that is needed to leverage knowledge and expertise for performance. Inti ya di bia ya kika boboma yipe hia no botum da edini knowledge ni pa fado ayeden edi dwuma yie man faso ayeden abamu
ene e rani sinse metu ase de no ti se sa nimde na ye ni no enti na nam so amanfo de kwhye omo
that is it one of
but answer na obekọ enum ye na na no motetete na omo wo bi ana say because omo no mu ni bi ba na akonfusion ni ade no
yenti papa dem dey
but here you share this okay but dey be akoso
good na ye na mu obi pa na ehun e ya me dede bi say dem question because so me call program o Dubai this is one of the critical things that me abrofo no kan
okay
am won nyina no wo bo won ti ase ye na ye na mu wotema in the first no say yin panyin tina ochira wo nukwaredi ide akohwe obeka to akofi man kedem adi yes enyi panyin tina na se ekọ abobo ano na ekotu sikampo ahu na diskane de ba opanyin no bi so le skane ko yi no wahe so hwe na ya wo ho ya hotu na empeda ba kire na odiwa akiri de for bebe akuhu scan fair den fetu ho yemfa kwa yemfe what were they teaching us? They were teaching us emotional intelligence, good morals, integrity, commitment, edumadin odokru ye se sabi so obi fima embaya wo kuro no wotumi je opanyin a obi ani ntua ne ka obi ani mba na diban okotena de moba no ho na waboa no waakekere na wire. This is what demonstration of emotional intelligence. But mistake ayayen de yempanyin fu no ye dem no wan bo no tofa amfanka education no ho amfanka yantatie no ho nti ya adwon ayen de man na yen yete no de man na yen mofra so be den betet aha ndes obi kopo ya accident do a ise ho ade kro be yen do be yi ni phone no na we twanyi pa na owu no we break news ni first enu ye more important ni pa so ru nti ye kosua no wahe are you getting my point nti na yen na mo ego emotional intelligence but mistake ni there. First no ye nyina me dem ko school we krase nti me fi school ba mbotom na ofie mo kira me nyama bi fie yansa and so until them
say yanka ye fa yen tete atempon kwa no so
good
etie ye nananom amamra ni amamra kasa de we nke wo bia
to be frank country bia we develop bia no fi akwa research country bia we develop bia no did not develop devoid of its culture. We are talking about good cultural practices. So, many people yan no see bone. Yam kanka culture. No what yes, what train yes. On Mount do. Yanara ya sasini eye board ndi manye. Say Indian and Kobil bodami dwumi e bia nka dem nsem ni mbe. Atima meka yes, it yentefo no on manya dem tima na nchekere no. But nye mu ne ya de ya tutuna se. Oban bia so yin wa we developer, we jaw na mambre atwechi. Go to Japan. Ati de Japan yi bia Ghana wa be trouble da. for what bubu you a media man there be an eti Japan you be no asem dabi wo kire mo Japan we fie there adwumadin o man ho do se ko ba bia agisuba papa ne pagya yendi. It's upon all the development partnership Ghana work with Japan. Me say Japan wants some bonny bia Ghana, including entity. Yes, including because of entity. Yeah, what I'm more then I will feel.
Yeah,
James brother said, entity no school no entity. It's a very yeduma. We have to go back to this social and emotional skills. Yeah, na mo yede edichire
Mate. Yaniera James Agwezi adisi na yedi nkomo or certified emotional intelligence coach and any yedi nkomo and World Suicide Prevention Day tina yedi sa nkomo no. Nto bibi bisa World Health Organization edi enti eno mo ka se yemi sa da we edi important adehia wo ho a eho behia se yebi
ebisa asem papa o ya me depi World Health Organization one father me day and see work keke enti me ye bibi say facts and figures me dey yan bi kakra bo tutuga na ya hu ade kunti a World Health Organization we tu mo pede wo share dem suicide prevention day ni mo kana say ye hwe tama me ba mo hwe wo yi ni bia na che de asitem wa ye wo no 800,000 yeah, and any tree in Kana, I think about 800,000, yeah, 8,000, 800,000, and Crawford, no, where they wash the one who for we are seeing now. It is what breaking it down, Kakra, every 40 seconds, on your 1 second, every 40 seconds, in Yipu, Nipa question of one confer, Mammy can say Yipu, Nipa Baku, a shall one confer. Now, and Yipa could be Allah, obey successful. Obotum waje ne nkwa fini sem bia no na eche de nyipa 25 so I attempt one went to one day wenku on e bia duru no me na no yedin okotwitu no obi ne sekan oje onko olumia ne yi kun waku na obi yeden ekopue ho now se nyipa ba ku bia so obaje ne nkwa afini sem no o affect nyipa 135 yes because hwe wo do nyipa kono e bia o yere it's what you know, Quafini Semen, near no haka, no more friend no haka. Are you getting my point? No, papa, no, mammy, yes, yes, baby, won't put be on or tonatic as a pa. And see, and who soon so I think, or Dawson. Nano son Kamala, the mean per 135 for now, in Papa Cubiano, no implication, but wonder. Say a cup woman at the end of the whole year, no, in per 108 million.
108
million. Yes, and now.
One afeno
one shop that be one who can walk will be a wise conform. Nipa ba question one conform. Nipa 25 no one make attempt at one went to. Nipa ba kusu question one conform no war. Nipa 135 no affect one. Out of that 135 no when they multiply now nipa 108 million. And now in Susando Bonia or be a waje. No finishem no ede oboso ewon yes because stigmatization baby oh he one brother penny no a che no akonfo wi no e na me fie na ko waru
akonfo chefo
yes intino enye da yipa no wawu ono wawu kono mpo no ho sunsuade ede ewo ho ade ba kwa san meme ye hu ide sa abofra bi kura le bad wo fie ho a no wo da na ankle kunu ho ne papa kunu ho eye easy yes growing from is social modeling transfer into eye easy man no aye de wa bokwan bi aye den ato ho on so de otum ofaso hard papa me yoruka say Ghana ye trado 124 out of 185 countries
it is a Ghana e sham hakon papa
am say yandin mpo ye yes every year no annual no Ghana 1607 and what you won't call then if you want say according to statistics Nigeria 72 in power what you won't call if you want say over 18,000
and how so yes
akoye
again a bit my year
good
especially mebuno
good
because the whole kind there obebeka say statistics now woman and the work no adene papa
India 220 over 220,000 and what you want if you want say one kasa what you want if you want say oh no atama man you bra ban there asa no bi ba gine kwan afinisem no onye better them on sorry dako is the most difficult decision on earth dey yipa be den obetake nti se yipa numbers dem tumi koma na kyerɛ dɛ ɔde yɛhwɛ adekwa a ɔyɛ den ɔde ba ama yɛatuma yɛ den yɛsiwa no na adekwa mama ɛndɛ mofa mmɔfra gye no mode focus no to mmɔfra ndo a mɛnya agye papa dɛ mmɔfra yi yɛn daakye nti sɛ yɛn daakye nyinaa yɛhwere wɔn a na yɛn daakye no yɛ den ɛwɔ he secondly adekwa nso ɔdɛ mmɔfra gye no mɛnya agye ho den yi dɛ yɛfrɛ biribi youth exuberant obiara yɛ abɔfra nyama bi ahoɔden bi
ka no wɔ soro
yes na difference in there dem ahu kan wo soro no abofra no onyi experience ɛna no lord agini yɛ den isua de obotuma take decision abɛ den boboa no asɛm bi si wɔ KNUST yeah one lady out of 8 models no onya challenge yɛn ka failure onya challenge wɔ baako mu na ɔsɛn no ja note there daddy and mommy sorry I couldn't be the lady you wanted me to be. Now the question is, the man abofra if you didn't na onam the man de kitu obegya no kwan if you know good. Ebia na mpanyfo onwote ana de ne yankofo na onwote no onyam de wonyi atenka ho yimidi nti no wo wantuma hu de abofra no orokọ atenka bi
ansa na obeto anu so no here are this question no be say business na obeto asase mo so ye ebe de na akwada wa wo kan oni su hu no experience ninim de e wo fom nti no kwan ban so no betimi enya bibia ka se me kwahye mo afo wo se na se nkola bibia na akoye asema I had ba be na kora ketekete 10 years 12 years aka se me kwahye mo akomfo no ti se na bi de wato aso am
yes won se e wo atenkan tete mu no ye wa adwon ni nchichemi abasa first part of adwen no bronyi frɛ no reptilian brain aye that to them aboa neje anti sabi yin na yetete aboa honam kakra den ebata ye ho na no yi de otume mama I deal with emergencies since I yekasa yeti se fire alarm ebo a awona ntwa me bisam dem ye ho ntimo me mu hwan de ko yeah them part ne na da den e dey to the man am on and sana ya ba second part of the brain na bro yin frɛ no the emotional brain. Now the emotional brain, you know, say BBC that part, you know, is the strongest part among the brain. Into BBC, no, I call rational brain, no, ejina ho. So in the split of a second, no, into men John, adrian papa, it could be someone there, me buefu na adrian no yede, or my answer. Anti medical who there, ebia won say wostle, self-awareness, maybe when you are your cocoa, with power all of a sudden, you are stammering, if you can see into one other baby child, no, something wrong, you are angry or frustrated. By that time, now, dear Papa, no to me yet, because of emotional brain, no, you didn't know rational brain, no, I will go to the man a mono, I will attend Carbonado. And son when you died attitude to be all jardin you and I attitude the app I didn't mind me ye on a road the American wide Wako police station. Yes, into the man in Chechimro Hono, a general emotional brain or two hijack rational brain now. It's a bay yet then say Papa Bino, no actually until using it now is an emotional aspect of the brain. Now everybody demonstrate when you Papa no I had the body no bonnet.
You remember say but you men ni so you science no kakra say na be ya we adwuma e wo fie ye wa sore ye botam ye hu so bi e show sign na namo e wo say etu no na ye dia
good obi o ha better ye de sebi nyame amanya no ya de kasa nti hwe nsem na ole keka na ma mu de net no do no wo se Ghana ye bi we kum ne yere Tuesday yala ewa America sebi na oyeden oyosofo now answer na olubedi demidwuma no o de nyoma bi to ne Facebook wall you know e bia da ne nko hu book bia mo bata san emotional intelligent expert yes nti no one of the ways I hear to be people's DP yala na nsema wo share won Facebook wall because first no obi anyu obi obeka bibi a chamba tende obi tumuko Facebook no akeka bibi abrante no yes odin sama ba se bi tu ho osesebo no mafo no sebo no mafo e ye din no ye din se che we de otumo white paint fi ba ho na dam sebo no mafo no what you compare anu a e ye the strongest mafo e ye that the second after Obana no ti asema ko onyo ba ti no academy secondly also ne say bo hwe yipa na komam na agya na yima nke bo hu bibia pefi
nti wo say hu say bibia
because yes o wie no no say enyipa oye kind oye odo dodo oye ntase owo do tema ahobrase no ni other side no so na no ye date them no so ye den etinala It's each other. Some of the words that people say, you put to my sign head, yet boom. Sabi, obi or homa, obe take risky ventures. Ebi a one that otikal mo, on that will be to no tiado pero there the article bono. The main attitude will be who to the second or that or they can be kakran and ni buefu. Aha, the me mani na who be a bufu near then. Efiba. Don't all of a sudden chronic anger be and any buefu. It baby shop. No, I can't wash it. What you feel now? Look at the manga sab and say, aha, my bread, aha, I didn't remember that. Yes, answer me and Juma Bobo. And Juma Bobo, yes, yes, it was time audible, but it would stay in panel. All of a sudden, yes, or there, you put to me a day, a to one more, and you're very, very, very important.
Nipadu was saying. And I will adjene Nyansa on media 2 sandy panel for. I don't see a samba.
Good.
Oh, they won't.
Good.
Sakaway, we hana.
Good.
Ya bay a day. I be Biama.
Good.
I didn't know yes, and I may feel. Well, you know, I was animated.
Good. Now, and Tina, the bit then they are way years away. The main church, you are there. It's a Biama, the education in who you're then. Papa. Bibiara's education woman said domesticmatization in ano say education be madam yamani na den bokofo because obi all problem bia o kaka chiro bi kura na o chinebo la ade ne yeden e da bontin into osiden wa kaka den actually party o de yimidi ba me yehu de nyipa e wodam ti bie ni mu a o de yetum yeden yeboa no sometimes botuma fa call keke oh what in there I hope everything is and say enhu bibia so man bu ni nyimitia. Assembly to America. The story they say the Californian pastor that shocked his death, shocked the whole of California. And California ye krokitwa. And so Pastor B will shock the whole California. Yes, or preach it 12 o'clock by 1:32 no work no. It's the same one and all money now he was preparing them for his death. A co-pastor. Until sometimes you know, ne back out to back and be no question you know. Ne send there. Me paucho. Me paucho de ye ja wo wan ko nam de mo kunu mu me paucho de obiara ntuma support wo pai bom me paucho de nyipa nte wase okeka nsem bi ntuma de so the woman saw all these things but when tu ana mo yes that is the why you say ye emanyi mu no ye di nyimidi ye den idagoro
you was psychologist you wo mo nim de say mo ne ade wo but how often do we engage them
yes.
as a society?
That is it. Oboko for be no we be join about cancer behind. 7 years story mpo no one publish Obaka will promote you. Meanwhile so be go in kwasese no publish that is not promotion. So all of us need orientation. And we shouldn't take things for granted. Nyame bia ne entity I start to see that shows you the power of emotions and we den papa
yeah, James, Kwesi, Addison, you better CP, and come away or say a teddy. Pa na etimi a boy na etimi queen. But last one, I am fancy. Nipana kwa him. Yen society, the way I see any man, and who see a become as a Nipano, ni baby or soup, and I shed day. Yamen or Demma, Yames hands and some now, and no say I can. A being so, Quambisono. Ayana ya money banoko how more
good
and no ana fenso no ade na si no yesi kwasoro ko bompa ni sa na eno so
se asukwaso ko bompa no ye flu
ye ni deliverance ade no so
yes se nyimidi o se nyimidi amema nyinti o hwere won kwa nti obiara bototo nyimidi asi biara no be nya problem nti wo de nyipa na o what be bi mu no say it's atenkansa wo kase a nyimpa re ka no be den anti one of the things e be the nyimpa no so obi wa henhia bi ma yemma nyimpa no kasa bra opede okasa we shouldn't be judgmental too me yenkobu na aten na mum yentie na asopem bro you friend no empathetic listening. Your ability to listen to the person is everything is about the person. Pay attention to the person. Who body language who be who kasa who be anchire there. Whatever the man ali again. Lite na some. You want to wo bunu kumu for. Janu mo onye den on kasa. Yes, ne bring mo pedo head mo head on kasa. Na mabe de ete nchechire bi nkwanhye bi so be den ebe manyipa no amwetu wa den we gina ne nado but most of the time because yimdi na ye yin ntin ye mom ye kaka nyipa no che mo because of ye nu asem ena ye ndi ye bi a ye be den ye be ye
de atwa to na fide wa so efutu a wode ma Ghana mebu no unse ohaw atete sikasam yere no mo tete yen yampra no mo ma pressure ni sa nya ma nyina Ghana mebu gina wa futu ben na as obi a was expecting no obeka che na obetimi de abona bra sa de we etimeto
Ghana mebu bia no mekan de hwehwe anyimidia a wodidi atenkado because research am yen hu de anamo biara yebotu biara no atenkan den ewo mi bi enti ma be yen de se bibi yin na le be take decision a o de ye den inya abota na hwehwem ye bronyi frɛ no reality check bi o ya tasem no pɛ no ye twa den ye twa som on hwehwem wo se kochi ademi na oto wotumi kan bi no has mo na obi aleka obi aso yin wa hwehwem de yes into ye reality check say the poor. This is simply your ability to look at the corresponding between what is what perceived and what is really on the ground. It was so you pay or you person go what it would work go be no person yes good and another thing is there say anytime a problem baba lutra na mo who there solution will properly be a solution. And the obi to profess solution be na call am my problem no cry then I am more sabi say look asa ha wala lukun ho se ikun ho a ebia mfa so pa na linya den je afim ene bibia so abofre bia le bi on fatema ye den enka ho ehu hia papa ade ale ye wunu anka de beye no wa fa sa anka de beye no mali ye wu ma me bodwen den mali ye wu papa ebia ensusuade ne benya ma papa benya ma wabusu benya ma fia den ewu ehu hia papa
so you be so odwene kakra
yes
yes wo ba dwene ti se dwene
yes because edebusuem na edebusuem so wo tefan de be mama ebusuan no enye din papa ewo nyipa yim omenyim ntini nkoto anamo bia ebe dey last but not the least no say shatare ya shemia Addison Kande group a youth group amato for mentorship
and the American
amato for every month or online webinar until parent piece one more Friday egudu ye kire won ti no so
this uncommon
no
because media American we
and I say yetumi di scientific no so kan ya adisua ho yes ye kire mo fra ABCD
ye be peda could be na ya hwe kwan ya be fa so the curriculum was a curriculum was then the mo brofo no mo kan ye betimi di ahyem fitin collaborate
since I say ko Denmark empathy tema e kan za wo kire into the mathematics
okay
yes it is said to Denmark says here Emude is considered one of the best place to work in Europe.
Okay. Because of time.
Yes. Denmark one minister back one ambassador no. And now one crofo ba there was investment le Ghana. No asan was that continue ho ade kun what year research who there young crofo no pi wo percentage out of the scar what they bear. No one tell obi ade bayan no a ye je adwuma le bra wo man. Yen san yen tua wo bribe be ansana to they were returning it. It was a new to them. Why? Because they have been taught empathy and integrity.
Here James Kwesi Addison. James no ko Bible mu a Yakobo. Yakubu. Enti here Yakubu Kwesi Addison. Enanumre we ye din komo e de afa Susan no na say akonfo ho na yesu ade bebre ye be si ye ni se nkomo we ye nwe ye da foforo ye beto aso na ya hwe emmo a ebetimi abo ye nyina esan se nyina sa atibia no ye kom firim nyankopon kwa na ye boafo ye de si ye twa ho ye ba Juliet Asantoa e de anigede eto aso e de aman ye be sia